Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. My name is RAHAMAN. My ID is 171352079 and I am from section C. Today my presentation topic is intellectual property right. Today I am going to introduce about intellectual property and show the category of intellectual property here. So let's go. Here is the definition of intellectual property. Intellectual property, it is a term referring to a number of distinct types of creation of the mind for which property rights are recognized. Intellectual property's rights is a right that is had by a person or by a company to have exclusive rights to use its own plans, ideas or others intangible assets without the worry of competition, at least for a specific period of time. This is a definition of intellectual property and intellectual property's right. Next, here is the importance of intellectual property rights. And then importance means why this is more essential for a property that set business apart from competitors, be sold or licensed, providing an important revenue stream, offers customers something new and different, form an essential parts of a marketing or branding, be used as security for loans, protect creations against infringement by others, like to stop others using, making, selling or importing it without your permission. It protects your own property. That is called, this is the main importance of intellectual property. And here is some types of intellectual properties, right? That is geographical indication, industrial design, copyright, patent and trademark. So these are the types of intellectual properties. Now we are going to describe about this. These types. At first, this is industrial design. What is industrial design? This is a shape, artistic features, configurations, surface, pattern of an article. And the typical view of industrial design can be front view, back rear view, left side oblique view, right side oblique view, top view, bottom view, isometric and perspective view. So this is all about industrial design we can learn. Then trademark. So what is trademark? Trademark is a distinctive sign or indicator used by an individual, business, organization or other legal entity to identify that the products or service to consumers with which the trademark appears originate from a unique source, and to distinguish its products or services from those of other entities. So trademark is actually contain a logo for your exact business. So next, this is the geographical indication. So what is a geographical indication? Geographical indication is a name or sign used on certain products which corresponds to a specific geographical location or origin, like a town, region or country. So here we can see a picture of Darjeeling tea. So Darjeeling tea, that pictures contains the location of tea. Here is we can see another example about rice. Next, copyright. So what is copyright? Copyright is the exclusive and assignable legal rights given to the originator for a fixed number of years to print, publish, perform, film or record literacy, artistic or musical material. So copyright, we can use the copyright of any kind of invention, like the music. So a music can be made in different way. So here is Windows. Another example is Windows. Windows is we are using recently in Bangladesh Windows copyright version. So this is the copyright means it gives the Windows Microsoft group of company give the permission for using this copyright. So this is the example of copyright. Then patent. What is patent? It's an exclusive right granted by a government to an inventor to prevent others from making, selling, or using a new product or a new process. Term of the patent: 20 years patents are territorial. So patent is like a law. Then advantage of, here some advantages of patent. Patent have different kind of advantages, and these are: at first, a patent gives you the right to stop others from copying, manufacturing, selling, or importing your invention without your permission. So there is no possibility of there is no possibility of publish of your product without your permission. This is the first advantage. Then you get protection for a predetermined period, allow you to keep competitors at bay. Then another is you can then use your invention yourself. That means your invention can only you can use your inventions. Then at last, alternatively, you can license your patent for others to use it or sell it as with any asset. This can provide an important source of revenue for your business. Indeed, some businesses exist solely to collect the royalties from a patent they have licensed, perhaps in combination with a registered design and trademark. That means without your permission, nobody can use your product or invention, any kind of thing. Then next, thank you, ma'am.